What's up guys? Tignan mo yung house tour ko. Oh. Oh guys, ito yung room ko. Tingnan mo. And here, and this is our room. And this is the sink. And this is the bathroom. And this is our fridge. And this is our TV, Persira. This is our room. And this is our plants. Oh. And this is my pets. Pero pinakakawang maingay. Kasi may tao. Kung may tao. And this is my bikes. Gusto ko to. MTV. Ito yung dining room ko. At may couch pa. At ito working na TV. At ito mga pusa. Makulit. At this is my Lola's room. And this is our fridge. And this is my sink. Our sink. And this is the dining room. Ito pang tubig sa ito yung pang tubig sa inom. And this is the kitchen. This is the stoves. And this is this is the rice cooker for eating. And this is the panglagay ng kitchen thingy. This is for the knives. And this is the storage room. And then this is my tito's room. Madami cockroach. This is the statues. This is my dogs. Good boy to. Maingay, makulit. This is the cats. Cat's dog. And birds. This is the kulit pinaka na aso. And who is always maingay.